nakapark dito, no? Kada ano, kada community may ano sila,
Mawawala ng park.
may designated na park sila. Eto, dito tayo. Kalat Bert. May kalat Tesla dito. Chirokinetics massage. Tourist. Si Bricks maganda yung magaling Australian accent ni Bricks. Nar.
Parang gawa si Messi. Alam ko mga
Nar. Maggie Sabor.
oh, sobra ka. Yung cinnamon roll at dito yung cinnamon roll. Yung pagkain sa labas, yung pagpasok pa lang. Sabi mo, bakit nagtuturo sa'yo? Ewan ko. Bakit sa
You okay, Lavi? Napuwing ulit, mami? Napuwing ulit si Cassidy.
Nasaan na yung wipe? It's okay. I will hold your bluey.
Ayan na.
Okay.
Mami, tara. Lakad mo na. Close your eyes.
Here love. Pero parang ang gaganda ng damit sa Pima.
Timing ka lang ng ano, no?
Hindi lang ako makahato. Kasi ang mura mo
May ano ka naman, may phone ka.
may ano naman ako for you.
Oh, may phone ka, tsaka 5G, man.
Actually, pag wala ako, uwi lang ako. Magbubook ako ng
Oh, 470 Maryland.
Oo, si mama walang interview. Hindi, marami naman dito free wifi na pansin.
Oo. Yan naman. Tsaka yung free wifi nila mabilis.
Oo. Ayun, tingnan.
Tara, guys. Go. Papapadap, papadap.
Yung drive ng mga ano ba sa Baguio, yung mga
Let's go. Thank you.
AUV doon, hindi ba yung sobrang pipilis?
Oo.
Dito sa Labaga
Ay, oo. Yung mga driver na ano, ng Pinoy, no? That's right.
Hindi ko nagkakabili. Alam mo, di ba sinasabi natin, malayo, 40 minutes to ba? Pero hindi mo mararamdaman kasi ang bilis.
Ito.
Ang bilis in a sense na wala kasing traffic, dire-diretso lang.
Totoo. Ano yan? True.
Kanina, di ba, Timberburn, ang layo daw nun. Kahit sabi ni Sandra, kay Sandra malayo.
Simplicity Funerals. Yan natin ang footage. Say hi. Okay tayo. Come on, love. Ooh, I'm gonna feel it. So crazy. Galing. How did the fish? They said that the more colors you have as a koi fish, the more beautiful you are.
It wants to go to me.
Saying hi. Hi, koi fish. Hello. Look, this one. Go to the... Look.
You mean the orange one?
Yeah, the orange one.
The big one?
Yeah, the big boy.
Look, the gold one.
Oh, that gold one is so good. Looks so good. Look at the fish, Larry. So good. And look at this one. Cassidy, Allison. Bloop. Bloop. Bloop.
What does it say? Crocodile, Mom.
Huh?
Crocodile.
Capybara?
Oh, the crocodile.
Estimating food and temperature rates. For every $20 spent
Jesus.
to receive 5 additional entries.
Nakakuha ko yun sa, ano, sa flight.
As well.
Sir?
Our
Sa
first
flight
call
crew.
time will be at 7 o'clock. We are looking for one winner this evening to receive $200 in points onto their membership card and a guaranteed place in the grand final on Thursday, the 20th of March. If we don't find you in our 7 o'clock draw, we may be every 15 minutes through 10 o'clock turn.
La Piazza.
Can you stop, please? I want to go.
La Piazza.
Go.
Go ahead, love. On a flight. Back in my hometown.
Now, if you're an NRL fan, mark the day, Sunday, the 2nd of March from 10 a.m. It is all happening here at Bankstown Sports. It's the Vegas round and it's probably one of the biggest moments in rugby league. And what better place to view it other than Bankstown Sports Club. Now, you'll be able to
Saan tayo, bud?
the Blue House will be able to join us in the Rainforest Lounge. In the Rainforest Lounge, we'll have a lot of activities that are related.
Cassie, baby.
Ano yung gusto kong food order?
Yeah.
Kasi Italian restaurant yung favorite.
Okay, pero okay lang, I'm good. Thank you, mahal. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Noise.
Eh, tabi na lang sila, di ba?
Mom, can I have your phone? Because you have a YouTube. Because yeah, your Coca Boca is so fun.
Coca Boca.
My Coca Boca.
Coca Boca. Coca Boca.
I'm gonna hold it. For a while.
Dito na daw tayo mag-vlog. Live question.
Tomato. Is one almost done here.
Ganda. Ayun. Ano kasama yung...
Ako na ako. Take another picture of it in the picture.
Si Taya?
Facebook.
Sino-sino ba sa ano?
Basta bala.
Excuse po, tita.
Kaya dito tayo.
Bye-bye po, see you sa bahay.
What, Dad? Where are we gonna ride?
Tito Jobert's car. Ninong Jobert's. Ninong Jobert's.
Where's where we gonna ride?
At an Uber. Ang bilis nga eh. CHR pala yun. Bird yun yung anong Toyota na gusto ko. Isang beses ko pala nakikita yun sa Pinas.
RAV yung nakalagay, parang RAV.
Ah, RAV4 ba yan? O variant ng RAV4? Ang ganda nung likod eh.
Wow, birds. Wow, so many birds.
Social pala yung tang dito. Social yung ano tang dito.
Bigyan niyo ba sa Pinas?
Hindi, tangor.
Yung tang orange. Eh, tara. Go, 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 go. Good time. Yeah. Ang galing kanina, Bert. Then naglalakad kami dyan. Ay! Sorry. Nakaumang na yung kotse. Nakaumang na yung kotse. Naglakad kami, matras. Oo, sabi ko, sa Pilipinas, uunahan ko pa. Oo, ang galing. Hi. Go, Lovey. Go inside, Lovey.